We got some road armor, baby. So overall, this seems pretty basic. I'm kind of glad I went with this bumper. Well, for now I am. Are all the other bumpers around the same price range? Came in a lot of pieces, and this one came all welded as one piece. So I think that this bumper is gonna be really nice for my truck. I didn't want anything really big and beefy and sticking out a lot. I just wanted something slim that would protect the radiator and everything, just in case I hit a couple larger rocks or something when I'm off-roading. I'm gonna install this today, so stay tuned. Okay, down here on the bumper on the inside, you have these blocks. You need to undo these. All right, I got it installed. I'm not gonna worry about the light today. I'm gonna do that another day. I'm gonna do some wiring. I'm gonna put lights in on these grill parts. So I'm gonna do all that wiring probably tomorrow. But as far as the bumper goes, so far I like it. I like how it's all one piece. There are other bumpers for sale around the same price that come in pieces, and I guess that would be beneficial if you do ding one part or dent one part in. You could change that part out, but as far as simplicity installing, this only took me about an hour long, and it was just me, so it's definitely doable to do on your own. So far the quality, I like it a lot. It came shipped a little funky, but nothing is damaged. All the hardware was here, so far I'm pleased, but I'll give another review on this about a year later after I take it in the backcountry.